Narvasa. There's the number 4. It's down. It's drifting. It's passing. There's the number 27. Spying it off. There's the number 4. There's the number 27. Number 2. There's the number 71. There's the number 8. There's the number 71. Corner passing. There's the number 18. Has the net ball baseline. Jumper is good for 2. 3 minutes and 25 seconds to play. Score 90-78. 1 point lead. Here's the number 4, Narvasa. Send in the play. Across. We cross. There's the number 4. Spin ball. Moving on. There's the number 8. Out and passing. There's the number 18. Penny. Shot. It's good for 2. That's a passing down. There's the number 87. That is third foul. Third free foul.
Penny and the team tabi was teammates.
On the screen, there's number 18, Penny. Time remaining 3 minutes and 5 seconds to play. It's complete 3-point play. For jersey number 18, Penny. Score 98-1. 9-point lead. Baba sa single digit na malamangan. Jersey number 15. Using the body ball away. Shot is good for 2. Score 92-81. 2 minutes and 50 seconds to play. Jersey number 18, Penny against jersey number 4, Narvasa. To jersey number 20. To jersey number 2, 12-second shot clock. There's a whistle. Foul coming with jersey number, Usmana. Jersey number 4. That is second foul. Warning for penalty. Substitution. Jersey number 2 out. Replaced with jersey number 17. 14-second shot clock. 14 seconds to shoot. Substitution. 14-second shot clock. Jersey number 17. Pass to jersey number 20. To jersey number 18. 10-second shot clock. Jersey number 71 for 3. Bang! Jersey number 71. 3. Score 84-92. 8-point lead. Intercept. To jersey number 18. Pass to jersey number 8. Wide open for 3. Bang! Jersey number 8. 3. Back to buy. Mamalamangan dito. To running with Wasis number 2. Jersey number 18. Pass to jersey number 71. Back to jersey number 18. Last 2 minutes. 1-second shot clock to jersey number 71. It's jersey number 4, 8-second shot clock. Corner pass to jersey number 8, 5-second shot clock. To jersey number 71, pull up, jumper is good for 2.
89-94, 5-point lead.
1 minute and 35 seconds to play. Almost losing the ball. Pass to jersey number 0, 90 shot. It's good for 2. Warning for foul out. Penalty. Time remaining 1 minute and 31 seconds to play. At the fourth and last quarter, score 96-89. A 7-point lead para sa Barangay Caber. 2 free throws for jersey number 71, Católico. Shot is good. Second and last out for jersey number 71, jumpers ready. It's good, 2 for 2. Score 96-91. Jersey number 0 to the pass to